I'm Ben Daniel, the editor of Packaging Middle East magazine. I'm here at Gulf Print and Pack exhibition, and I'm here at the Fotedar Engineering stand, and I'm here with Dr. Ansgar Kaupp, who's the CEO and partner for EyeC company, and I'm also here with the CEO of Fotedar Engineering, Vikram Fotedar. Pleasure to see you, both of you. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to see you. So, tracking and solution. Please take us through this journey, both on the website and also on the sheetfed side, please.
Yeah, actually, we're doing inspection for the print industry, and there we focus on the pharmaceutical applications and also on the luxury applications. Of course, we can also serve the FMCG areas, and we take this journey from the very beginning, the artwork generation, where we have a special product that we introduce here, which we call the proof text. And we also do this during the production, for instance, on a folder gluer with inspection inline, or on a web one, which is in focus here, where we can show an inline inspection, or on a sheet offset press. And finally, when the brand owner receives the material, we offer offline inspection equipment to them to verify that whatever they're getting is correct. So we serve the entire industry and focus on the print industry.
Excellent. If you can just show us a couple of critical areas, what kind of defects you identify maybe through your system that you have here. Can very quickly show us a couple of examples so that readers can understand your solutions.
Yeah, actually, this is a camera that is designed for web applications. So this you would find on a printing press in the web, or on a rewinder as we show it here. And there we can find small defects, like here little points or something that can then be positioned on the rewinder to be exchanged and edited. On the other hand, if we go very much up the process, we have an inspection unit that actually compares the content from a Word file with the finished packaging to ensure that all the text that is supposed to be included on the package is really included, and shows you differences like this one here, where actually the numbers have not been correctly edited. And this is very useful in the artwork generation before the pre-press. Of course, we also have pre-press systems, so we cover the entire process there.
Right. Vikram, if I may ask you about our region, and we have so many solutions that are available here, and both from the narrow web sector and mid-size and the wide web, and this is so critical when it comes to inspection for many areas, whether it's food and beverage or pharmaceuticals. So what's your journey and what's your experience with the clients with whom you're working with this product and in general?
So we started our journey with EyeC around 10 years ago, when we started delivering proofing systems mainly for the patient information leaflets. And we worked with several pharmaceutical companies in Saudi Arabia.
Sure.
And prior to buying our solution, there would be proofreaders, and there would be a battery of proofreaders who would be comparing, and in some cases unsuccessfully comparing two proofs in multiple languages, because you don't really interpret or understand, you can just visually compare. So it's very painstaking work. And all of that was reduced to a few minutes of scanning, and you could see the results and differences. So it added a lot of value. We could serve a lot of pharmaceutical companies. That's where we began. And then after that, we have delivered systems for variable data, for decoding, grading of barcodes, QR codes, as well as recording numbers, to where we are today, where we've designed specialized systems where you can detect defects within foiling very minutely, as well as defects in embossed foils. So which are three-dimensional, very complex structures, and we can be detecting defects in that. So where EyeC is positioned is as a high-end inspection equipment manufacturer, and we're very happy to be working with them over the years and have several satisfied customers around the region, and we will continue to do that. At this particular show, what we're trying to show is a concept where we are revealing, this is an editing doctoring machine. So if you print in multiple ups and then you want to edit or doctor only one up, then you take that one roll and put it inside instead of reconfiguring your slitter for a new job.
Sure.
So that reduces your work in progress as well as makes you more efficient. And when you couple that with an EyeC system, then you can automatically stop the machine at a presettable zone. We have a section here which is a splicing table, because this machine can be used both in horizontal and in vertical mode. So, and then we can stop the defects at a certain location. Once they go through the camera and once a defect is caught, then we can stop them here, and then here the editing and doctoring process can happen.
Right. There's one question which comes to my mind as we are discussing this. So your system, obviously, this is something which should come with a new machine, right? And there are some machines which don't have such specialized inspection systems, and you kind of fit that as a later onto the machine. So what do you see? Where do you see your machine falling in our region? Is it coming with the machine more? Are you putting this system into the existing machines?
So everything that we've done so far is retrofit systems.
Yeah, retrofit.
Because usually systems that come along with the machines have very limited basic capabilities, and what we try to do is, as a printer over a period of time extends his product offering and gets into more challenging embellishment.
Sure.
That's when you need something of the capability of an EyeC to help you to grow and to verify, to check and ensure that everything that goes out of your print house is of a certain standard and quality.
So there's a lot of scope for this product for already installed machines which don't have this capability.
Well, it is a very simple economic question. You have a couple of systems, machines sitting out there. If you consider a higher class unit for your production that may have a better inspection included as well, you still need to consider, what am I going to do with the previous investments? You have to take care of that as well. So that's why we always offer this full scope of service there.
Wonderful. One last question. Tell us a little more about your plans for the future. I know you have the right partnership with Fotedar Engineering. And what's your plan for the future in general? If you can just, in our region, obviously about a Middle East and Africa region.
Well, we are, of course, investing into further enhancing the capabilities of our systems, and therefore, of course, we need the information from the market. What is required here? Where's the focus of the people here to complete our product portfolio wherever it is needed and where we can see the market? So it's very helpful to really come here and meet the people, meet the customers, meet our partners here, to get into this in-depth discussion and to include that into our strategy for the future.
Right. Vikram, if I may ask you the same question from your standpoint, from the regional standpoint.
So we started in Dubai in 2007. This is our Karma Bhumi.
Okay.
So this is everything for us. For us, it's very important that we have to be presenting high quality solutions and back them up with excellent support. So our plans are very firm. We've gone in with our own capability for warehousing also now. So all of these years we've been an engineering services company, but now we're transitioning where we can handle parts, inventory, stock goods, and also support our customers better with logistic support.
So gentlemen, it's a pleasure to see both of you.
Thank
All the
you,
very best
Ben.
for the future.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.